Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Telegram on Windows system. So if you have Windows PC or Windows system and guys you want to use your Telegram account, so you can use official version without any third party website. You can download from Microsoft Store. So click on start and open store. Create your account guys, you need your account with Microsoft. Without account you can't download and install. So create your account and sign in. Once you sign in you can search here Telegram. Just type here Telegram. So you will see this Telegram desktop app, and there is another version. I'm not know this one. So this is the official, and also guys you can try this one and comment your experience with this application. But I know this is working properly Telegram desktop, so open it. And as we can see, this is the official application Telegram Messenger. And as I said before, you need your Microsoft account. So create and sign in, then click on get. We can see here 5K rating and on average 4.5, so it's a good number. Here you can see the description and review for peoples. So guys, to download just click on get, and it will take a couple of minutes. So complete this downloading, and once this guys downloading process will complete, so it will auto installed. So just click on open. You will see once this complete, open option. So open it, and you need to sign in with your mobile number and password. So if you are new for Telegram, so it's better than WhatsApp, because here you can share a large size of file to anyone, and a great number of people are using it. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you or not, and if you're facing any problem error, so just comment. I will reply and I will resolve it.